everyone. I'm Mrs. Orchid with you. Today I'm going to talk about subject pronouns. Are you ready? Let's start. When we talk about subject pronouns, we talk about I, you, they, we, it, he, she. He, she, and it are singular pronouns. You, singular and plural pronoun. They and we are plural pronouns. I play tennis. You like swimming. He drinks milk. She wakes up early. It has a tail. We go to the beach. You live in a house. They speak Italian. Do you know what is a pronoun? I'm going to tell you. A pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun. What do you mean by takes the place of a noun? I am going to tell you. I. When I talk about myself, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. We say I when I talk about myself. She. When I talk about a girl, woman, like grandmother, mother, sister, we say she. She is my grandmother. She is my grandmother. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. He. When I talk about a boy, man, like father, grandfather, brother, we say he. He is a boy. He is a boy. It. When I talk about an animal or things, we say it when I talk about animal or things. It is a book. It is a book. It is a book. You. When I talk about another one or more, we say you when you talk about one, another one, or more than one, okay? You are my friend. You are my friend. You are my friends. You are my friends. We. When I talk about myself and others, we say we when I talk about myself and others. We are friends. We are friends. We are friends. They. When I talk about more than one person or things. They, when I talk about more than one person or things. They are friends. They are friends. They are tables. They are tables. They are tables. How many subject pronouns are there? There are 7 pronouns. There are 7 pronouns. I, you, they, we, he, she, it. Now you know the subject pronouns. Noura has got a red car. We cross Noura and put she instead of Noura. She has got a red car. Hani is my friend. We cross Hani and put he instead of Hani. He is my friend. The boys are in the class. We cross the boys and put they instead of the boys. They are in the class. The desk is brown. We cross the desk and put it instead of the desk. It is brown. Karim and I are friends. Karim and I are friends. We cross Karim and I and we put we instead of Karim and I. Now you know the subject pronoun very well. Please press subscribe bell icon, give me thumbs up and leave your comment. Goodbye and see you soon.